Students, let's look at this question here, which is on APGP. Let's see how I can do this proficiently. So 2019, this was taken from 2019 VJC mid-year, question 10. Now the terms of a GP is U1 to U4 and so on are such that the sum of infinity is 81 and the sum of the first four term is 80. U1 is more than 100 and n is bigger than 3. So we are told to find UN in terms of n. So we know that this is a GP, right? Just do it now. So I think it's not like super difficult. So sum to infinity is 81 and the sum of the first four term is 80. So sum of the first four term is 80. Whoa, interesting. Okay, great. So this part here is a1 minus r equals 81 and this sum to first four term is a1 minus r4 over 1 minus r is 80. Now this is where I think most students will have problem identifying that 1 minus AR here. So just replace 1 minus AR in, okay? So 1 and 2 here. So substitute it in. We get sub 1 into 2. And this would just be 81. 1 minus R4 equals to 80. And after which 1 minus R4 equals to 80 over 81. And that would be 1 R4 is equals to 1 over 81. And just key in calculator, you will get the fourth root. So what I'm going to get is fourth root. So 81 to the power of 1/4, that would be 3. So r is equals to plus minus 1/3. Okay, that's really okay. Now, if U1 is more than 100 and n is bigger than equals to 3. N is bigger or equals to 3. What does that signify? Let me see. Anyway, we just move on to find what's the first term first. Then we will understand. I think A. So when r equals to 1/3, just sub into this expression here. So A1 minus r equals to 81. This will give us A equals to, key in calculator, you get 81 times 2/3, which is actually 54. So it's A equals to negative 1/3. A1 minus 1/3 equals to 81. This will be A equals to 81 times 1 plus 1/3. 108. Okay, so hence reject as A has been more than 100, right? So in other words, hence U1 equals to 108 and R equals to negative 1/3. So UN in terms of UN will just be 108 negative 1/3 to the power of n minus 1. Okay, that's how you do this question here proficiently.